Hello, I'm Gino. Welcome to Dazzle TV. First, I want to thank everyone for tuning in. Dazzle and I really appreciate all the positive support, positive feedback. The live stream, our first live stream, went really well. I mean, we were so happy. We plan on doing the live stream every week, same time, 9:30 a.m. Sunday morning here in the Philippines. This video, Dazzle and I, we went to the Yamaha dealership where we bought our motorcycle. We wanted to show the different motorbikes that are available here, because here in the province, motorbike is probably the best transportation you could get because of the price. I mean, you can get a motorcycle here, the manual motorcycles. You can get them brand new below $1,000. So it's really inexpensive. And Aklan province is really ideal for motorbikes, because once you leave the different towns, like our small town here in Numancia, if you're going to the next town like Makato and Tangalan, it's just beautiful scenery. I mean, the minute you pass our little town, it's nothing but rice fields. You'll see rice fields on the view, mountain views. I mean, it's just it's spectacular. I mean, you'll just be amazed. And it's all paved, all cement roads, and miles of roads, all the way to the next province, like Antique province, all the way to Aklan. You'll pass like ocean view. So I think the motorcycle enthusiasts will tell you it's like Aklan is just a beautiful place to ride motorbike. We bought our motorbike in 2016. It's a 125cc Yamaha Mio I, and it cost us at the time 67,000 pesos, about $1,300 at the time on the exchange rate. Now the same bike, if you buy the bike, we looked at the price yesterday, it's 72,400 pesos, and because of the exchange rate, it's the same price almost. It's about $1,300. So, and it's a automatic scooter, electric start. So like myself, I never rode a motorcycle before I came here to Aklan. So the scooter was great for me because it was automatic. You just hop on. It's just like the gas is on the right, and you stop with your handle. Get a sidecar for it, and like our sidecar cost us about $1,000 to get it built, but it was kind of customized. The going rate for a sidecar here, if you built it like just ordinary type sidecar, and then if you just paint it like regular paint, our sidecar, we use automotive paint, so it's a little bit more expensive. I asked around on the sidecars. You can get them as low as $500 to $600 installed on your motorcycle. So really, for about $1,500 or $1,600, you can have a tricycle. So just to think about. And here tricycles are like the most. If you've seen our videos, you'll see there's a lot of tricycles and motorbikes here. In order to purchase a motorcycle here, all you need is like any ID, even your United States driver's license, your passport. They'll register a vehicle. They'll register a motorbike under your name. And once you get here, if you have a valid United States driver's license, you can ride for 90 days, up to 90 days on your American license. After 90 days, you'll have to get a Philippine driver's license, and it's not hard. All you go to the land transportation office, you show your valid US driver's license, and the process is pretty simple. They'll get you a Philippine driver's license. In the video, you're gonna see the price of the motorbike cash. That you'll get the decent, you'll get the lowest price, of course, and you even get a discount. Like I know our motorbike, when we bought it, we got like 1,000 peso, about $20 discount from the SRP price, the suggested retail price, because we paid cash. But if you don't want to pay cash, like if you want like the nicer bikes that they have there, because they have bikes there that cost about $2,500, like the NMAX, you can actually get it on credit. And for you to get it on credit, you just need a Philippine driver's license. So you can, when you get here, if you want to get something on credit at the Yamaha dealership, you'll have to turn your United States driver's license right away to a Philippine driver's license. That way you can apply for credit to buy the more expensive motorcycles. Of course, when you buy something on credit, it's the same principle in the United States. You'll end up paying more for the bike over time, but that's just up to you, your preference. the view from the national highway that I was talking about. You can see just rice fields, and then you'll see mountain views, and this is the national highway. There's Chloe right there. We're coming from Loola's fish farm in Makato, Aklan, Philippines. We just dropped off Dazzle so she can go fishing, and yeah, as you can see, this is the national highway. You know, very few cars you'll see, and then both sides is just rice fields, all green because it's rainy season, so the rice fields are really starting to become really green. And when you drive from when you ride your motorbike or drive your car from our town in Numancia to Aklan, this is all you'll see for about 30 kilometers. That's all you'll see is all these rice fields and go through mountains. All right, I just bought the parts for a Bumblebee. I bought the oil, the gear oil, and a new spark plug, and also I needed a new headlight because the headlight had burnt out. And the total cost for all that, the 4 pieces, was 600 pesos, which is about $12. And the guy's working on the Bumblebee right now. He went ahead and drained the oil, so he's going to change the oil, he's going to change the gear oil, the headlight, and then the spark plug. And I tried to do the change oil, the gear oil, and the spark plug. I try to do that once a year, so this is a yearly expense for Bumblebee. And so far so good, because I've owned the bike now for 6 years, and that's all I've been doing is every year I replace those parts. Nothing has broken on the motorbike, so it's been a really good bike. You know, for $1,300, I mean, you can't really beat it. You know, for that price, to have 6 years and it's still running like a champ. Replacing the headlight. So that headlight right there lasted me 6 years, so that's pretty good to have a part like that last that long.